Over the hill then. Oh, girl! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Hey, she's 30. Let's do ano. Happy birthday to you. This is what people do in their 30s. He's not even in his 30s yet. Well, ang random. But hi guys. To be honest, hindi ko talaga alam kung ano yung wish ko. I mean, I do have wishes in life, but hindi ako naghanda ng isa to wish for on my birthday. And, nga pala, this video that you guys were watching, that was my birthday party. I'm currently editing it, but I just thought I should pop on here. Kasi I feel like bigla na naman ako nawala after doing daily vlogs. Naging emo lang ako kasi 30 na ako. Like, what's the point in all of this? Anyway, since andito pa kayo and still watching, I just wanna thank you all kasi parati kayong sumusuporta sa mga uploads ko. You know who you are. And yun lang naman. I do have some life updates, so I don't know kung gaano ka-often ako makakapag-upload. I'm not gonna promise another new vlogs, but I'll see. Kasi ang daming updates in life. But yeah. You guys can go back to watching. Thank you guys. Love, love, love. The struggles.
But I do the
Medium cup?
Yeah. 30. 30. Dirty 30. Dirty knife.